Got here my 88 Nissan Urvan Campervan for sale. It's got a permanent high top, long wheelbase, really good camper. 2.7 litre petrol, I think, with a 5-speed gearbox. Goes really well on the highway. Got 3 batteries underneath, 3 leisure batteries, plus the one main car battery. The guy before me was a German enthusiast. He's put the Mercedes hubcaps on there. It's really comfortable. My girlfriend and I have had it for just over a year. We've been up and down the east coast many times. Really comfortable. It's got gas cooker. It's got running water in here. I just haven't filled the water tank at the moment. 2-burner cooker. Runs off gas, obviously. Here's your amp meter to show you that you got charge. You see it just flicked there, and you might be able to hear it. So I've just turned the fridge on there. You can hear that humming away. The fridge runs off the battery. I'll turn that back off. It's a double or a queen, sort of halfway between a double and a queen size bed, turns out to be. Folded down there. You got Flyscreens on all, got internal lights. Another internal light up here. Show you that one. Yeah. Now I've put my surfboards in here, and I've got a 9'6" and a 9'4" and a 6'2", all single fins, and they fit neatly up in the ceiling. But obviously without that you've got a huge amount of headspace. Now I'm standing upright, and I've still got another couple of inches above my head. Windows all round with Flyscreens. Really good. It's a built by Safari, which is, like a really good camper conversion company from back in the day. Heaps of closet space. And everything you need to go camping. Sorry for the shaky video. Yeah, so built in South Australia originally, by Safari South Australia. It's got current Queensland registration till September. There's the gas unit on the side. Heaps of storage in there. Now you can have 3 people seated across the front here. There's 3 seat belts. You can see they're the center seat belt. But usually, because there's only the 2 of us, I drive with this guy down, and that's a nice little. Can then access the back quite easily, and then you got a little compartment. CD player works, the heater works, the air conditioner doesn't work at the moment, but all it needs is a new, can't remember what the guy said, but he said it was going to be $300, and I just decided not to go for it because I don't use it. But it's not a compressor. If it was a compressor, it would be over $1,000. It's not that. Whatever the part was, which I can't remember. And 5-speed gearbox. That's about it. Yeah, give me a call. Number's 0449 935 535. Give me a call and work something out.